Hi students, I am really glad to meet you in this video session. Today I am going to take an important topic, a relevant topic in today's scenario. I would like to start this session with a question. How many of you are missing the school? How many of you are missing the school? Namely, the building and the fun that you had in the school and the teachers, above all, the affection, the care and the share that you get in the classrooms. How many of you are missing? The answer can be, yes sir. We are missing everything. We are missing all the fun that we had in the school. Yes, today we are isolated, we are in quarantine, somewhere other. But the education just continues. Today I am in a virtual classroom. You are somewhere sitting, I am here, and you are going to listen to my video. Yes, the education has to continue by means of various sources, resources we can call it. Above all, what is the aim of education? What is the aim of education, my dear children? The wholesome development of a human personality. The wholesome development of a human personality is education. How we can bring that wholesome development? By our social skills. What are the social skills that we have got? Okay, it can be morally, physically, socially. One way or other, we have to grow our morality. It depends upon morality. How we have relation with our friends, our co-workers, or with our friends or near ones. So, the social skill should be mingled with the social development. That social development, where it can take place, it is only in the school. Not sitting in a house, not sitting somewhere else. So, the social skills can be developed by mingling with fellow human being. Yes, my dear students, we need the social skills that should be mingled with our fellow human being. Though we are in isolation today, you are in quarantine, I am here, but we are missing something really to develop the social skills. What we are missing? Just imagine, go back to our school life. When you were in the school, you used to participate in various competitions that is conducted in the school, namely the debate competition, some kind of celebration, the dance, and all the literary activities that you had in the school. Everything you are missing today. Yes. Are you not? You are missing everything. The physical relation that you had with your friends, the physical touch of your teacher, you are missing. See, my dear students, we need to grow both physically and intellectually. That can happen only in the school. Only in the school. Not sitting in a room. Not sitting in a room learning through your computer or whatever that e-book, whatever that you have got. For certain extent only it can help you. What about learning through computer? Just imagine a robot is standing here and teaching you. I am a human being. I have got flesh. I have got blood. I have got feelings, sentiments, emotion, everything. Can a robot express all these things? It is a machine. It is a machine. But when a teacher is standing in front of you, okay, you really feel the warmth, the love, the affection, everything. Here there will be a kind of interaction between teacher and students. The way that I ask questions and the way that you give answers. So, a lot of fun is involved in the school life. So I am a teacher with flesh and blood. I am a teacher who has got feelings, sentiment, emotions. I am not a machine here. I am not a robot to stand and teach. So my dear students, you must have come to a conclusion. What's the topic today? The topic that I am going to teach. Yes, it is. The topic is the fun they had. The fun they had. That is the topic that I am going to teach. It is a relevant topic in today's scenario. It is a very interesting topic because it is a science fiction story. It is a science fiction story talking about the future happenings, the future circumstances, the future life, how we are going to have. So a science fiction, a writer who thinks about or who imagines, who goes to his fantasy world and he started to write. If you call it in Tamil, okay va, அறிவியல் சார்ந்த கற்பனை கதைகள். Yes, there are people, very famous writers who can write science fiction stories about the future, That's what today we are going to see. Before entering into the topic, let me put a question here. Do you like schooling? The answer will be yes, I like schooling because you are missing the fun today. Really, you are missing everything. Now also I could hear from the students, from the parents, especially from the students, sir, when the school will reopen, we would like to come to school. We would like to be in the school because they are missing the fun. They are missing so much of the intimacy, the relationship. They are missing the feeling, sentiment, everything are missing. So, do you like schooling? The answer can vary, yes, but most of the answer will be yes, I like. The second question, how was the system of learning education in the ancient time? Just go back. Years back, how they learned. What kind of education they had? Those days, the learner, the tutor has to go to that houses of the children. They have to teach there. See how it has taken a transformation from ancient to modern today. Days are gone where only the rich people have the liberty to learn by experienced tutor. Those days are over. So the ancient time teaching something different. Now, coming to the third question, how was the system of learning education in this present time? How we are learning today? Okay, we all come to school. There is a particular school. There is a building. We all come to school. Those days in ancient time, teacher used to move towards the houses of the students to teach. But today, the total transformation where students come to the building, a particular school, where different ages people learn according to the age, what is prescribed by the department. They learn. See, so much of interpersonal relationship takes place in the school. That personality is developed in the school. Okay, socially, physically, morally, everything is developed in the school. Yes, my dear students, I give much importance for social skill because everything happens in the school. Your total personality is developed in the school only. Not sitting at home, not sitting in a room, not sitting in front of a machine and learning the lessons. You are restricted everywhere. You are restricted in the room, but not in the school. See, really, you all are missing this. That's why the first question that I asked, how many of you are missing school? And most of the answer can be yes, we miss the school. Third answer, how will be the future education? Yes, just imagine. After 100 years, how the education going to be? How the students are going to be? Do you think that the school will be there? Do you think there will be a building? Do you think that all the students will go to a particular school? Do you think? Yes, just think it over. The future education depends upon the computer, e-book, okay, everything. Students enough to sit and learn in front of the machine. What you call it as a mechanical machine or robot. We sit there and learn. That's what it's going to be. Totally everything is going to change in the future. After 100 years, just imagine what will happen. The education. Though we say the aim of education is the wholesome development of a human personality. Here the human personality refers as a human skill, morally, socially, physically. Those things, I don't know how it is going to grow in the future. How we are going to develop the minds and the hearts of the children. It is very difficult. Yes, my dear students, how the education is going to be in the future, that also we have to see. So, with these questions, let us enter into our topic. See, the children. This is a school where your interpersonal relationship, flourishes. Your social skills are growing here, namely, as I told you, socially, physically, morally. Socially, physically, morally, everything it grows. And that happens only in the school, not anywhere, not sitting in isolation, not in quarantine. That will never happen, but only in the school. So, with this introduction, let us enter into our topic. Because why I given a vast introduction, big introduction? You may ask me, sir, why is so big introduction? Because the lesson that we are going to learn today is relevant in today's scenario. It is relevant to today's scenario. Because we are in social distancing. We are in isolation. We are in quarantine. How we are leading a life. How we are leading a life. Yes, with these questions, how will be the future education? Let us move on to the next slide. Schooling system. How the school works. How the education is imparted in the students' minds. In the old schools, school is a separate building. Had a real book printed on the paper. All the children go to study together. Humans are smart enough and serve to be a teacher. Yes, this is a school that we have got. This is a school that we have got today. All the children, they go to school. All the children, they move to school. This is what? We have got a separate building. Yes, that is what our school. Our school has got a separate building where we all go there to learn something. And had a real books printed on the paper. That is what we call it as our textbook. Our textbook. Our textbook. The second thing, the first our textbook that we have got for each subjects, different subject we have got textbook. All the children go and study together. Yes, that's what something different. Everybody must come here. From, for example, if you take it from LKG to 12th standard, we all come to school here. That's all children, they go to school. In one building it is. That is today's scenario. The today's life, this goes on like this. Next, humans are smart enough and serve to be teacher. Yes. Here, we humans teach. We stand in front of students and we teach. Human, I have got a flesh, I have got a blood, okay, I have got a feeling, sentiments and emotion, everything, where I express it with the people. So, here teacher stands and teaches in front of, there is a kind of interpersonal relationship with the students. Interpersonal relationship, as well as there is a kind of where students ask questions, sometimes the teacher gives answer, sometimes teacher asks questions, students give answer. They are kind of togetherness here. This is what we will find here. Next, schooling system, what will be in the future? How the system is going to be? How students are going to learn everything? What kind of education that we are going to have in the future life? For example, imagine 100 years. After 100 years, how we are going to learn? Imagine that's 100 years. How the school is going to be? The first point, are we going to school? Is there any separate building? Do you believe that there will be a building separate only meant for school? Can you say that the books are printed as we read it today? It's impossible. So the first point, School is in a room at home. Next to your bedroom, there will be a school. So I am talking about future school now. Just imagine some 100 years after, how it is going to be. Next, millions of books are saved and run on television screen. So the television screen, numbers of millions of books, letters will be just running. There are no printed books. Next, children study individually at home. Yes, there is no interpersonal relationship as we have got today. Children, they have to study alone, sitting at home. Mechanical teacher assists them. Who is the mechanical teacher here? Means a robot. A robot assisting all the people, all the children. See, the child learns from the robot, from the mechanical teacher. Whatever he or she asks, just give answer. There is no interpersonal relationship just developed. Mechanical teacher is found to be with the student only. This is what the students, nothing else. So this is a school that we are going to have in the future. Just imagine some 100 years in the future, how the school is going to be, what kind of education that we are going to give to students, how the students are going to learn first of all, what they are going to miss. Okay, the fun, the love, the affection, the share, and everything they are going to miss in the future school. So till now we have seen the ancient school, the modern school, and the future school. And what kind of fun that we are missing today, and how the children are going to learn in the future. In the next video session, we shall see the practical point, how students are going to face, how students learn, which school the children prefer to have. That we will see in the next video session. Thank you very much.